we've recently been getting a lot of issues with new Vault installs where legacy Inventor drawings, which either had company logos as images in the title block and they've been replaced with new logos, or they've been replaced with geometry based logos. We haven't been able to check them into Vault because there's like a ghost link left in the file, and I'll show you that in a second. But first of all, make sure you have your project set to the correct one for the job. Also log into Vault and then open up the drawing that's in question. Switch to the Vault browser and you'll see that there's two logos listed here, two image files. Now one of them is valid, and you'll see that when you come to the links dialog. And so that this one here is valid, but this one here isn't actually in this drawing anywhere. And there's no third-party folder in drawing resources or in the model browser, and it will stop you. It just won't let you check this into Vault because of that. So the way to get rid of it is to launch the VBA editor. Now, if you haven't, if it doesn't work, there's a workaround. You have to install the language pack or install VBA 7. You can have a search online for how to do that. Make sure that you create a new module underneath the application project. So right click, insert module, and paste in the code into this dialog. Now we'll save that, give that something, a name that's easy to understand and read, and close that off. Now when you launch the macros dialog, you need to switch over to the application projects, and in here then you can select the macro you've just created. Select run. Now the first dialog that pops up, if you expand that out and say do not show this message again in this session, it's not going to prompt you again, and we can open up subsequent drawings and this isn't going to bother us. And we can do the same thing here as well. So save changes, prompt only once per operation. Now that's finished running, we can see that we've now only got this one third-party image in here, so we'll be able to check that into Vault. So close that off, open the next drawing, and run it again. And that's that. So you just have to do that to each drawing and check it in as you go.